Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the host device the one with a cellular data plan and active mobile data. This lets other devices share internet. Once Bluetooth is enabled on both devices, pair them now through settings right arrow Bluetooth so they trust each other. Make sure airplane mode is off and battery saver is disabled because those can block tethering. You do this early to avoid mid-process disconnects. Pairing first makes the remaining setup one clear step rather than troubleshooting later. Next, enable Bluetooth tethering on the host device from Hotspot and tethering settings. This tells the phone to share its mobile data over Bluetooth. You then go to the paired device, and once connected via Bluetooth, select the host and enable use network or internet access so the client routes traffic through the host. Make sure the host's mobile data remains active and that any VPN on either device is paused, because VPNs can interfere with routing and make the connection appear broken. Finally, verify the client has internet by loading a web page or running a quick ping. Confirm the host shows active tethering in its status bar. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then disable and re-enable Bluetooth tethering. If that doesn't work, unpair and repair the devices or restart both phones. Make sure carrier tethering isn't blocked and temporarily disable VPNs. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting the host often clears stuck Bluetooth profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.